Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Yahoo not working on iPhone and iPad problem. If Yahoo has stopped working on your iOS or iPadOS device, whether it's Yahoo Mail, News or Finance, you are not alone. Many users experience issues ranging from the app not loading or login failures or slow performance. Thankfully, there are some pretty quick ways to get rid of the problem and restore the full functionality of the app. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, I would recommend you to disable VPN on your device. A VPN can interfere with Yahoo's ability to connect to its service, especially if the VPN server is located in a region where Yahoo has restricted access. VPNs may also trigger security checks that prevent Yahoo services from functioning properly. So just open the Settings app on your device and choose General. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the VPN and device management option. And then you have to turn off the toggle next to VPN. If you're using a third-party VPN app, disable it directly from the app. And once turned off, try accessing Yahoo again to see if the issue has been sorted out. Then I will recommend you to update the Yahoo app on your device. An outdated version of Yahoo may contain bugs or compatibility issues with the latest version of iOS or iPadOS. Regular updates ensure smoother performance and fix known bugs. So just open the App Store on your device and then you have to tap on your profile located at the top right. And then you have to scroll down to find Yahoo app and hit the update button right next to it. And finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your iPhone. If Yahoo is still malfunctioning on your device, there is a high chance that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the Yahoo app from functioning properly. So just open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to choose General. After that, you have to choose Software Update, and then you have to proceed to download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS on your device, and that's about it. And that wraps up this hands-on guide. Hopefully, Yahoo has come back on track, and so has the smooth sailing browsing with Yahoo. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next one.